Our assumptions must be replaced by God's knowledge. We don't have to suppose to be the case without proof. We can know the facts. The counterfeit money that might be in our economy. The way to find the counterfeits is not to study all the fake, but it's to get to know the genuine, so that when the fake comes across in our life, we can spot it in a moment. And if that's true of money in a financial institution, how much more should you and I as believers care about the truth of God's Word? We can expect God's best. This changes everything.